Are you wondering how to use wired earphones or headphones on your Samsung Galaxy A16? Since obviously this phone, as you see, it doesn't have headphone jack. So actually there is very simple solution. So you simply need to get adapter like this, which essentially converts this regular 3.5 to Type-C. And then when we plug it in, our headphones will actually work. And yeah, basically this is it really. Also your microphone will work and everything should work. By the way, also if you are looking to get these, you actually need to be kind of careful, because these basically have like tons of different manufacturers, and some of them are complete garbage. For example, I have had different ones as well. For example, as on some audio lags, also on some microphone doesn't work, and also on some basically this jack also very easily falls out. So if you need one, I'll maybe leave a link in the description comments where you can get decent ones. So you can see on AliExpress it only costs like a bit over $1, so practically nothing. If you are looking to get a good quality on Amazon, you are looking to spend almost like $10, so definitely probably this is a place to get it. Also, when you get this, be careful not to get this one. So this is probably the worst I have tried. So if it looks like this, avoid this. Is complete garbage again. Most functions actually do not work with it again, and it basically this jack very easily falls out. So again, I will leave to the Amazon, also to one of these listings where I got these. Anyway, good luck.